Football is my life. When I was 8, I started to play football for a local club back in Poland in my village. My team used to have matches every Sunday, but during these matches my coach never let me play. After 2 years of sitting on the bench, I got tired of that team and went to a town 12 kilometers away from my village to try playing football there. During the training, the coach from the town team offered me a place as a goalkeeper because he thought that I was good, and I started to play football for them and I felt satisfied. I was proud to represent my town. When I appeared on local TV and in newspapers, I felt like a big international player. My grandparents saw me on TV and they were so proud that my grandma started crying. I love playing football so much because I made my grandparents proud. I was playing football for this team for 2 years and I really enjoyed it. When I was doing it, I thought that I had achieved something in my life, and that is something that I can be proud of. I still have my medals and trophies. Even though I have moved here and I haven't played football for 4 years, I still try to do some sports. I did Thai boxing for 2 years. On 10th of July 2010, I went for football training at the local football club, Pimpaki, and I got in as a goalkeeper. When I got home and told my mum, she was so happy for me to be doing what I truly love. I talked to my grandparents every day on the phone. When I called them this time and told them that I got into playing football, they were so happy for me and so proud. I'm looking forward to the beginning of the season in September.